Good morning, children. This is your GK period. You ready with your GK book? Check out page number 24. And your name of the chapter is Environment and the World of Science. And your topic is chemically true. State whether true T or false F. Vinegar, when mixed with baking soda in a bottle, can help in inflating a balloon which is held at neck of bottle. Write the T, true. Second one, when you add yeast to hydrogen peroxide, the temperature of the mixture rises. True. Write the T. The chemical stimulant present in the coffee and tea is nicotine. False. Fourth one, the fizz produced in soft drink is due to presence of carbonic acid. Write the T, true. Compounds have the same characteristic before and after a reaction. False. The preservative used specially in sixth one. The preservative used specially in homemade lemonades and the squash is citric acid. True. Seventh one. Hydrogen peroxide is used in mouthwash. True. Write there T. And calcium carbonate and sodium fluoride are used in detergent. False. Now come to the page number 25 and your topic is health in your hands. Match the nutrients with the function it performs in the human body. Function and nutrients. First one, it helps our body to grow and build muscles. Match with E. Answer is protein. Second one, it gives the energy to work and perform the different activities. Match with G. Carbohydrates. Third one, it helps in maintaining a good vision and healthy skin. Match with A. Vitamin A. Fourth one, it helps in developing immunity against the cough and cold. Match with H. Vitamin C. Fifth one, they are stored form of energy providing insulation to the body and also maintaining body temperature. Match with B. Fats. Sixth one, also known as cobalamin, it is essential to avoiding anemia and to health of nervous system. Match with C. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12. Seventh one, it is essential for the good health of bones. Vitamin D. Match with F. Vitamin D. Eighth one, they are essential for various body function and metabolic processes. Match with D. Minerals. Match with D. Minerals. Okay. Do this matching and learn all the functions and nutrients. Then come to the page number 27. And your topic is Science Trivia. Be a science genius and answer the following questions by ticking the correct answers. First one, which planet orbits a star other than Sun? Answer is exoplanet. B. Second, what does a massive star become when it dies? Answer is A. Black hole. It is highly inflammable gaseous fuel which is extracted from the petroleum. Answer is B, butane. Fourth one, also known as breakbone fever. This disease is transmitted by Aedes mosquito. Answer is A, dengue fever. The only common metal that is liquid at room temperature. Answer is B, mercury. Sixth, the amount of water vapor in the air at any given time is A, humidity. An electronic device used for increasing the power of electrical signals is B, amplifier. Okay. So children, write down this in your GK book.